What is your name and where are you from? Talk to me.
My name is Janas Khan. I belong to Mardan district. Pakistan.
Yes. How long have you been involved in the workers' group?
I am in worker group from when Imam Ali Nazash was our General Secretary of the CP of Pakistan.
Which is about how long?
About from 30 years I am working with Communist Party.
And why did you get involved in the communist movement?
Because I know that the communist movement is in the power of mankind. There is no solution with imperialism for the economic crisis, for the poor. So socialism has the only solutions for all these crises, that is economic crisis, that is social political crisis, or anything other else, because it is based on humanitarian basis, not on religious or rational or territorial basis. Socialism based internationally on international Marxism is in international theory, scientific theory, which is applicable in the 20th century, because the Foreign Secretary of Pakistan, Akram Zakki, says that the institutions of the capital system are totally failed. There is only solution with the socialism for the world problem.
How did you come to discover Marxism? Did you have family, friends, or was it through work?
I have studied Marxism personally, and then when Najib was Hafizullah Amin was in power in Afghanistan, so I went there, and the Hulk party members, Democratic Party of Hulks, they taught me Marxism. They taught me Marxist philosophy, and from then I returned to Pakistan and I started my work in my region.
What type of work did you do? What type of work did you do? Political
and theoretical work I am doing. I am teaching philosophy to in my branches, in my cells. This is my basic work. I am attending the monthly meeting of regional committee. I am a member of the regional committee of Peshawar, and I am basically working in Jamrod tribal area near to Peshawar. Yes.
And the place you live is a city, a town? What is it? A big, small?
My birthplace.
Where you live now?
I am living now in that is a very small town, small village. But Jamrod is the political, social, and cultural center of the tribal area of that place.
And do the ideas of Marxism and socialism get much of an echo there?
Yes.
Do they get much response there? Are people positive towards
Yes, yes. I have recognized about 30 members there in tribal area, which is very low culturally, educationally, and financially. But my theory and my philosophy gives me the strength to work in tribal area, because they are very religious people, they are very illiterate people. They talk in the ballot tongue, but we are moving slowly and steadily. We are participating their masjids, their hujras, their traditional institutions, participating everything there. So in this way, they accept us, and we are talking about them that to them that we want no leadership. We want a big change in the world, not in this area. Last day there was a function. I was speaking there. The function was organized by Oxfam, which is an British organization.
Yeah.
So it was based. The topic was peace. So I told in my speech that in class society, you cannot keep peace because there is contradiction among the people, among the poor and among the rich. So the contradiction cannot be solved in this society. When the socialist society comes throughout the world, then because the territorial peace is connected to the world peace. If there is peace in the world, we can found peace in Pakistan, in our territory. So if we want peace in our region, so we should try for the peace of the world, and that can be only possible when there is socialism throughout the world. Capitalism is providing everything to the betters, to the war. Big factories of arms. What will they do? What will they do for their production if there is no war? War is the need of the capitalism, the production of the capitalism. So if we want peace in Pakistan, entirely in the world, we should impose or we should work for the revolution, which is called social revolution.
And were your parents communists and socialists as well, or did you discover this yourself? Your family, were your parents, your mother, your father, were they communists?
No, no, they are not communists, but my daughter and my two sons. I have three children, only my daughter Lina and Shahid and Naveed, my sons. They are communists.
So how did you personally discover? Did you meet somebody, or was there?
खुद कौन से तरबियत है फैमिली से या किसी और जगह?
I have got the idea. I can say I was communist by birth, because around the society I was birthed in a small teeny village, Gidadi, a hill, Kadamar. The first Pashto film was based on that hill, the story, Yusuf Khan Sherbano. So I belong to this teeny village, and there was very poverty, there was no education, there was no communication. I am proud of my German friends when they came to our area, Mardan, in the shape of IRDP. So I worked there. There was no road. I took road to my well. There was no electricity. In 1890 and 89, 88, I have worked there I was the president of the organization. So I worked for the electricity. There is now, I am proud that electricity is there. There is road. There are latrines, and I have built all these things with the help of my German friends, which were working in the IRDP, German IRDP.